Can your body survive lightning striking your house? The answer is surprisingly complex and depends on many factors that could save or endanger your life. When lightning strikes your house, it usually hits the highest points like the roof or antennas. The electrical current then travels through metal wiring, plumbing, or structural steel. This means the lightning rarely strikes a person directly inside, but the electrical surge can travel through conductive materials, posing serious risks. Understanding this path helps explain why the house structure plays a major role in your safety during a strike. Even if lightning doesn't hit you directly, the electrical surge can cause side flashes or induce voltages in metal objects near you. This can result in burns, nervous system damage, or cardiac arrest. Being near wiring, plumbing, or electronics during a strike increases the risk. So, survival often depends on where you are and what you're touching inside the house. Proper lightning protection systems, like grounding rods and surge protectors, can redirect dangerous currents safely into the ground. Also, simple actions like staying away from metal pipes, electrical outlets, or corded phones during a storm dramatically improve your chances of survival. These measures don't make you invincible, but greatly reduce the danger from indirect lightning effects inside your house. Many people survive lightning strikes to their homes because the current usually finds a path through wiring or plumbing instead of their bodies. However, injuries can still occur from side effects. Quick medical attention for shock or burns is critical. Your survival depends on how well your home is protected and how you act during the storm. So yes, your body can survive lightning striking your house, but it's far from guaranteed. Understanding lightning's path and taking safety precautions inside your home can save your life. For more surprising answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and stay curious.